Hi. We're going to go ahead and review some of the products that we use in our practice. Today, specifically, we're going to talk about these Damon Tieback modules. Everyone always asks us when they look at our photos, what are those things that are gray that are basically from the post to the six? And what they are an elastic module that has a single loop on both ends. And what we do is when we're midway through treatment, we've done all of our arch leveling and we're ready to kind of finish this case up, we really don't want space to creep back into our cases. So even though we've got the anterior managed, sometimes we'll get space that happens distal to the canine. Now when that happens, it's kind of a pain because you have to close it. So to prevent that, we use these tieback modules. And what they are is it's a single piece of elastic that has a loop on one side and a loop on the other. And we just basically stretch it from the post to the six. Now what that does is it just keeps a nice light force between the alpha and the beta segment so that throughout the 6 weeks or 4 weeks or however they're long, as the arches are still developing, we're not going to get space creeping back in the arch. They're easily removed, easily replaced, and most importantly, they really don't affect the patient at all. They're super easy to clean, and they're pretty awesome. So definitely worth doing. I've seen people try to avoid buying these. They just cut a bunch of C-chains, but we all know C-chain gets sloppy, and it has all these little loops in it, which just collect food. We want to make sure that our cases are hygienic, clean, and simple and look good. So that's why we use the tieback modules. I would suggest you use them as well. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.